Hey, it's Jason at Hangtown Affordable Auto Repair with a video about thermostats again. How many miles is that?
Can't recall, 150,000?
This 2007 Buick Lucerne has over 100,000 miles. Had a coolant leak, figured out this crossover pipe here had a cracked gasket. So when we started taking it apart, which we already knew we needed, we didn't know how bad it was. This is the thermostat. Came out in pieces. All the rubber's torn off, getting into all the cooling system parts and the radiator is what it's supposed to look like. We recommend you do a thermostat every 100,000 miles, and this is exactly why. This stuff's getting all through the cooling system. If this thing were to stick because it's falling apart, could cause it to overheat, could cause a P0128, which means it's not working and getting hot too slowly. So give us a call at 530-503-9290.